honored investor. Welcome to our KYC or Know Your Customer Completion tutorial. KYC check is the mandatory process of identifying and verifying the client's identity when opening an account and periodically over time. So let us begin. Click on your profile in the top right of your account dashboard. By clicking the settings, you can see a number of setting options, and among them you can locate KYC in the left bottom. Click on the KYC. To start your verification process, simply click on the button labeled Start. Provide your personal details, including your first and last name, date of birth, and country of birth. Once you've filled in these details, you can move on to the next step. Now, you need to submit your document details. You have three options: ID card, passport, or driving license. Choose the option you prefer by clicking on the corresponding button. If you select the ID option, please click Browse Files. Add both sides of your ID card and click Continue. For your security, we rely on a certified third-party service provider to handle the verification process. Usually, it takes around 24 to 72 hours to complete the verification of your information and personal details. After successful verification, you'll be all set to participate in our affiliate programs and enjoy additional benefits. If you need any help during the verification process, don't hesitate to contact our customer support team. Thank you for choosing our services.